Alright, so it's a beautiful, almost about to rain, already rained at least 1 or 2 times South Florida days. And this won't be the best car ever video, although this, I still feel like it's one of the best cars ever. This is going to be the difference between a good axle that we just took out of this vehicle and a bad axle. Now you can see this one is brand new, has the boot on there. The boot on this one ruptured, and you can see the parts inside of there. It is gone. Now, if you're driving and you hear a clicking sound, click, 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 every time you turn to a certain side, that's a telltale sign, you know, that you're gonna have to change that axle soon. So, again, we just got this part for 80 bucks. Easy money, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I'm gonna throw this new one back in, and I want you guys to enjoy your day and stay happy. All right.